In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can increase or decrease font size on your Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. So let's get started. So open your Microsoft Word document. So using this document, I am going to show to you on how you can increase or decrease the font size by a shortcut key. So we just have to select the text that we need to increase or decrease the font size, okay? So for increasing, we just need to simply press Control plus the close bracket. Okay, it's Control plus the close bracket. Let me show it to you in the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so this is the close bracket. Okay, Control plus the close bracket. Now let's try. So let's select the text and then press Control. Okay, so as you can see, the font size has increased. Now, if you want to decrease the font size, then we just need to simply press Control and the open bracket. Okay, so this is the open bracket. So press Control and the open bracket. And as you can see, the font size has been decreased. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily increase or decrease font size in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.